recording.
Okay. You're in the potluck challenge?
Yeah.
Our goal is 10. From here to here?
Yep. See how many times you can do it. This is a better idea. 3. 6. 7. Now you're just taking little legs, cheater. It's like 8. Keep going. 9. 10. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. Is your nose running? 22. 23. 24. 25. Is that all you can do?
At 30.
You done?
Yeah.
Alright. Colton after the fact. We'll be spitting for days. Do you need some water? You gonna be okay to videotape me?
Just wait. I'm gonna go get some water.
Alright.
Edit it. Go.
My turn?
You gotta get it going. Oh. How many is that?
7.
Five, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
My tongue's starting to like get cut up. I'm gonna stop there. God. Our masterpiece. I need some water. Like actually,
Now we'll look it now.
Does my tongue look cut to you?
Oh wow!
It's worse than water.
Now you gotta do it like that.
I don't think I can. I think my tongue's actually cut up. Oh. Okay, let's do it. Just lick it once. Give it a good lick. Oh. I don't even know how many you've done. It's gross. 14?
14.
Okay, stop. You're grossing me out. Next time we do the salt block challenge, we'll wet it and then do it. We're gonna. No. We successfully completed the salt block challenge.
Yeah.